Hey all to all my bio buddies. So this video is really very helpful because today I brought upon a topic that is highly interesting and you will find it quite you'll feel like at the end of this video you will feel motivated when you will learn about different things, because in the last few lectures we're continuously discussing about immunology. We also studied about the basics of biology. That was the basic area I was dealing with. But today I thought of bringing upon a new topic. This is very important to know also, because even the students who are currently in their 11, 12, they are thinking of how to plan up their career, because it's very important after 12. What is your aim, what you want to be, and choosing a proper career is very important. So this will give you an insight about what career you can choose and why you choose in this medical aspect. If you are not even getting securing a good rank in your NEET, you can definitely pursue a paramedical course, which is biotechnology. So even for the undergraduates and the graduates, and even further, this video will be surely helpful to know more about biotechnology. What are the inventions and innovations taking place in the biotechnology industry and the sector itself? It's very important. We already know about biotechnology since a very long time, but with this outbreak of pandemic, I believe this has definitely brought to an importance of this. Is somewhat, people were very ignorant about this field. They didn't have much knowledge about what is about biotechnology. Even I feel even in today's world also there are few people who is not very much aware about that. So to make him understand about this thing and to emphasize this rapid rate of this significant progress in biotechnology, I have found that I just collected the data from different sites and I thought of showing it in front of you in today's video. So myself Debrupa, and so let's get started with today's topic: latest advancements in biotechnology industry in the year 2022. So as you can see, these are the major highlights. So here we'll be discussing about precision medicine, artificial intelligence and big data, tissue engineering and power of regenerative medicines, food technology, agriculture and vaccine technology. Out of which, if you ask me personally, which I feel is mostly I like to work upon that area, is vaccine technology. That gives me enough motivation, and I am highly passionate to work in vaccine technology area, because it's very vast and there are lots of scopes of research, and you can also further contribute a lot in the healthcare sector. But today we'll discuss slowly and gradually about the latest inventions and innovations in biotechnology industry. The first we will be highlighting is precision medicine. This is absolutely a new area of biotechnology, I believe, and this is certainly also the major, the most one of the biotechnology mega trends going on around the world. So this is important to understand, to have a basic understanding about what is precision medicine. So let's come and see what is precision medicine. So this is just a small introduction about biotechnology. Like people who, because I know that there are students who watch my video, they are even in their 11th and 12th standard, even in the 10th standards, who don't have much idea about what is biotechnology. For them, it's just an insight. You can go through that. It's written in the right hand side. So basically the sole objective of biotechnology is we make use of certain engineering principles, certain biological principles, even mathematics, statistics, even some cell and molecular concepts, genetic concepts are also taken into account for providing a proper solution to a problem. And we are mainly focused in improving the quality and standard of life of the mankind. So biotechnology is basically, we have that role to manipulate, or we can simply modify the overall genetic composition for generating of newer products, which will be far helpful for the mankind, and that is also by the use of genetic engineering. So there are a lot many domains to work upon while you are in biotechnology, but this is up to you. What is your choice of whether you want to go for biotechnology or not? And even if you are into this field, then there are in number of opportunities and fields, I believe subfields, where you can definitely explore a lot about it. So here we are going to talk about precision medicine. So when we're discussing about precision medicine, you have to have a better understanding about CRISPR gene editing. So that I will cover in a different video, because that when we'll discuss about CRISPR gene editing tool, it sums up to a total entire topic, and that occupies the entire, I think, the lecture. So that's why I'm not including. But if you have a general understanding what is CRISPR gene editing, which is the most advanced and sophisticated, I think, the advancement in the field of biotechnology, so in that perspective, this is definitely going to be a very important thing. Moreover, I believe in the year 2020, as you can see in the report given above, जो भी pharmaceutical industries है उनको investment मिली है $200 billion. किस लिए? For R&D department for new precision pharmaceuticals around the world. ताकि ये जो हमारे precision medicine या personalized medicines बोल सकते हो, इसकी काफ़ी और भी लोग यूज़ करें. पहली बात, इसका कुछ डिसएडवांटेज मैं पहले बता देना चाहती हूँ. लाइक सी व्हेन वी जस्ट ट्राई टू इन्वेंट समथिंग, द मेजर थिंग आई बिलीव इज दैट द मेजर चैलेंज ऑफ बीइंग अ साइंटिस्ट एज वेल, द कॉस्ट. अगर ये हमारे पब्लिक तक पहुंचना है, one of the major thing, especially if I talk about only in India, that is about cost. We generally prefer those medicines which is cost effect, like which is cost friendly, which you can afford. And most of the population in India, these are like the mediocre section, or the middle class people who can't afford such costly and lucrative amount of medicine. So personalized medicine may not be so much handy for those population, I should say. But yeah, companies, you must have heard about Moderna, BioNTech and Pfizer. They have been trying to apply mRNA technology. I know you must be knowing about what is mRNA technology. It's messenger RNA technology for the treatment of cancer. We all know that cancer is a very hazardous disease. This is all of a sudden it will start mutating within your body and you are not even aware about it. So some cancers become so deadly that the patient dies even. So उन सब सिचुएशन पे ये mRNA टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके और mRNA को एक व्हीकल की तरह यूज़ करके हम कैंसर वैक्सीन्स बना रहे, which can not only detect your cancer but it will help in eradication of your tumor cells as well. Precision medicine अगर conventional या traditional medicines जो हम अभी खाते आ रहे हैं या फिर हमने पहले से खा रहे हैं, वो काफ़ी हद तक बहुत बेटर है प्रिसीशन मेडिसिन का. इफ़ यू हैव हार्ट अबाउट पर्सनलाइज्ड डाइट, आजकल लोग पर्सनलाइज्ड चीज़ें ज़्यादा प्रेफर कर रहे हैं. फ्रॉम द वेरी टर्म पर्सनल, दैट मीन्स यू आर हैविंग योर ओन जेनेटिक मेकअप. मेरा जो जेनेटिक मेकअप है 1-2% मेरे पेरेंट्स से डिफर करेंगे. हर एक इंसान हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन अनदर, दैट इज 1%. 99% वी हैव अ मैच विथ अवर पेरेंट्स, बट 1% विच इज entirely unique to us. So in that situation I'm telling you that this precision medicines or the consultants who are there, those will try to understand your genetic makeup, कि आपके जीन में कैसी आपके जीन्स लोकेटेड है, कौन सी जीन में ज़्यादा किसी इंसान का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, उसके हिसाब से जैसे डाइट बन सकता है सेम तरीके से मेडिसिन भी बन सकता है. एंड दैट इज़ द वेरी ब्यूटी ऑफ प्रिसीशन मेडिसिन, दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर जेनेटिक कंपोजिशन और द मेकअप, दिस ट्रीटमेंट इज टोटली पर्सनलाइज्ड एंड दिस इज फॉर बेटर एज कम्पेयर टू कन्वेंशनल मेडिसिन. बट या when you talk about balanced diet and personalized diet, it is always better to have a balanced diet जिसमें हर एक चीज़ की इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन होनी चाहिए, हर एक न्यूट्रिशन इक्वली मिलनी चाहिए. जहाँ तक पर्सनलाइज डाइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड ऑप्शन, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स, बैलेंस डाइट इज ऑलवेज बेटर, बट हमारे पहले से ही हम बैलेंस डाइट नहीं फॉलो करके आते, स्पेशली इंडियन डाइट में ऐसा हो जाते हैं. तो उस टाइम पर्सनलाइज डाइट इज़ अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन कि किस पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट का ज़्यादा आपको ज़रूरत है, मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स में से कौन सा ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है आपके बॉडी के लिए, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिटरमाइन. So let's come and see about what are the innovations going on in precision medicine. See here, so this cancer vaccinations which are directed via this mRNA technology, these are created for patient individually. For example, किसी patient को breast cancer हुई है तो वो individual level पे हम उस patient का DNA जो नॉर्मल है और जो ट्यूमर सेल्स है हम उसको इंडिविजुअली एग्जामिन करते हैं और उसका एनालाइज करके हम हेल्दी और जो ट्यूमर कैंसरस सेल्स होते हैं उसको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देते हैं. सो द रिसर्चर्स कैन डेवलप वेरी प्रिसाइज mRNA मॉलिक्यूल फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ द cancer based vaccines by using of artificial intelligence and ML, that is machine learning. So now I hope you can understand that how artificial intelligence is also taking part in the manufacturing and designing of precision medicine. So once it is ready and it is injected inside the patient, this mRNA vaccine will be behaving like a guide. It will help the cells to produce specific some kind of proteins which is highly important, so that it can help for training of the immune cells and the immune system overall for recognition and killing of those cancerous cells. So this personalized medicine, I believe, it's truly an amazing discovery in the field of biotech in 2020-22, where it has been not only a best solution for cancer, but also same to same during the COVID-19 mRNA vaccines, the similar kind of technology being utilized. So that's the best beauty of precision medicine. The next kind of I think the innovation in the field of biotech will be discussing about artificial intelligence and big data. So you'll be surprised to know when we heard about artificial intelligence and big data that how can this become a biotechnology trend? This is absolutely an IT based driven world. So how artificial intelligence is going to operate a wide range of activities? See, in most of the biopharmaceutical companies, the entrepreneurs, for example, Panacea Biotech, Sun Pharma, like this kind of companies are making use of artificial intelligence and big data, which is highly important. Already we discussed about precision medicine, that how artificial intelligence are helping in designing of your precision medicines. Similarly, for speeding up the marketing strategies, especially for escalating your drug discovery process, artificial intelligence is really playing a significant role. Moreover, those researchers who are in the domain of proteomics, genomics, glycomics, even they are also using artificial intelligence. इससे क्या होगा, आपका जो structures है प्रोटीन्स का या कुछ भी जीन्स का, वो हम इजीली डिटरमाइन कर पा रहे हैं, और साथ साथ हम उसका सीक्वेंसिंग भी कर पा रहे हैं, that is also at a quite faster rate. So if you ask me what are the innovations and inventions, big data, of course, you must have heard about the Human Genome Project. Do you think this is possible without artificial intelligence? It won't be. Humans alone have over like 25,000 genes. You imagine 25,000 genes, which is just not just a matter of joke. And more than 1 lakh proteins we have, which is a prime example of a big data's existence in biology. So humans are having such a huge kind of data, and this data has to be stored, and that needs to have a proper validation, and also it has a lot of things to understand. Even we need to understand the genes as well as the proteins structurally and functionally. So human minds will find it really difficult to analyze them and also make a good use of this kind of unstructured data. So what is unstructured data? Suppose you have some data and that is not a proper format and not in a proper organized manner. So in that is called unstructured data, which needs to be in a structured format. Artificial intelligence will help you to extract relevant combinations, making data models, and also other information from this massive data set. Basically, most of the companies are making use of this artificial intelligence I'm talking about, where this unstructured data can be converted into a very structured format, organized data, which is definitely a lengthy process and a demanding process as well. So most of the like IPA, you may not be aware about it, that is called intelligent process automation. They have been developed by different major tech companies. I mean, they're IT based companies, for immensely speeding up this process with the help of artificial intelligence. So I hope you can understand that how much significantly this is being a factor. Moreover, in addition to that, I would like to add upon one more thing. It is about the revenue. The global companies all over the world, there was an investment in artificial intelligence which reached around over $68 billion in 2020, and now it is expecting to reach about $126 billion by 2025. So you can see the significant change in the investment amount in 2020 to 25. There was a huge investment, which there is a huge difference in the investment amount, because research is going on and artificial intelligence is going to completely revolutionize the world. So today this much only we are going to end up with, that is about your precision medicine and artificial intelligence and big data. In the next lectures we'll discuss about biofuels, tissue engineering, food technology and agriculture. followed by your vaccine technology. So because this will be a very pretty long video, and I hope that you got about an overview that how this biotechnology is revolutionizing the world, and it is creating a massive change overall in the lifestyle of the mankind. Moreover, just one more thing I would like to add upon, like we all become aware about the different trends that are associated based on the different elements of life as a result of our interconnected environment, and some of these trends are highly peculiar but some are very amusing, right? So for understanding, and of course I believe this world of science is not such an exception, so to understand and keep it in mind, we'll bring about the next video where we'll be discussing the rest other innovations in biotechnology. Till the time, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video.